In springtime, I see lots of flowers, flower shops with tulips, all turning into a beautiful bouquet. And maybe some of you have noticed that when tulips are still holding beautiful buds, they're straight. But as you put them in the vase, and then a couple of days pass by, 4 days pass by, and then the flowers slowly start pulling down the stem. And I always thought that that was such an elegant form. And also I love the way that the flower shows the passage of time. So inspired by that, again, memory of springtime, I created this beautiful pattern of pastel tulips over here. What I did for this design was to bundle the tulips right in the middle and created this little bouquet of tulips. And then to remind us that they did come from the beautiful garden, I planted white tulips along the edges, and it came into this beautiful form that I really love.